Hello, my name is Natalie Villegas, and I am recording the presentation that me and Leilani Santoyo have created, The Struggle for Texas. Question 1. What could be the next possible economic trend for Texas? How does Texas's current economic industries complicate potential shifts to policies like green energy? The next possible economic trend in Texas is an elevated economic growth while experiencing almost no employment growth. This is possibly linked to the integration of AI in workflows. Because of the growing use of artificial intelligence, rather than complicating the potential shifts to green energy, it has created a powerful incentive for technology firms to invest in clean, reliable energy, or green energy. Question number 2. Of the challenges of an aging population facing Texas, which do you think is the most serious? Why? Are there any viable solutions that you can think of? We answered, the challenges of an aging population facing are bountiful. And in my opinion, social isolation among aging adults is the most serious. The dangers include social isolation increases the risk of premature death by 26 to 29%. This is also associated with heart problems and disease. It can also cause increased risk for anxiety, depression, and dementia. Solutions include increased volunteerism, more people to interact with, promote services to boost outdoor activities and community interaction, and promote connection between older adults and their community. Question number 3. Texas is the land of immigrants. How have immigrants affected the state in the past, and how do you think they are currently affecting the state? Historical impacts include increasing Texas's workforce, creating American jobs, and boosting economic growth. Current impacts continuing to contribute to the Texas economy in personal income and empowering Texas's workforce. You can see an example on the graph. Question 4 states, does Texas's political culture leave it vulnerable to societal trends or emergencies like pandemics or public health emergencies? We wrote, factors like race, immigration, education, and economy all impact Texans and leave them vulnerable to issues like natural disasters and health effects of climate change. Texans, on average, have a higher number of days with severe storms that injure or kill people. Many Texans also don't speak English, which can be a problem during a health emergency if the instructions are in English. Question 5 states, the Supreme Court ruled in Dobbs versus Jackson Women Health Organization that abortion was no longer a constitutionally protected right and was instead left to be regulated by the state. What do you think the intersection of traditionalistic and individualistic political culture means for that right in Texas? We wrote, following the Dobbs decision, Texas has created one of the most restrictive legal environments for abortion in the U.S. This blends traditional frameworks which view abortion as an ethical issue requiring state intervention. We also wrote, this case also emphasizes a limited government role, or individualistic, meaning a private citizen can sue anyone who assists a woman in obtaining an abortion after 6 weeks rather than the state taking care of it. Finally, our conclusion. Texas is still growing as a state even after centuries since its establishment. As discussed today, they've faced unique situations over the topics of economy, immigration, aging population, political culture, public health emergencies, and the Dobbs versus Jackson abortion ruling. It's components like these of our history and present that have helped build our contemporary Texas. Each detail and issue all contribute to special developments. Again, I am Natalie Villegas, and Leilani Santoyo has helped me create this slide. Thank you.